Hey Thomas, so thanks for the question. So I would like to explain that internal use here is just for like the consumer lifetime deal. Sometimes they are using that and they're reselling that license. So that is not allowed. But the AgentDeckFlow is totally designed for that your team can build chatbot and sharing to other people to use. So I will demo to you how you can do it very quickly in here. So for example, you go into our AgentDeckFlow.ai in here. You can go into our AgentDeckFlow.ai in here, and then you can click on, for example, like this customer support agent. You can see that it has all of the functionality that necessary, and you can just click duplicate this one editor that allow you to edit, modify, and control. And also you can click on publish in this one. And this publishing is allow you to share to Shopify, WordPress, Magento, or maybe your website. Later, we are also having for other as well. For example, like you can see, you should copy this one to your website, Shopify as well, and we can support for Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram later. And for your second question about what are the models that we have, so currently out of the box we have Gemini 2.0 Flash and also for O Mini. However, you can always like add in your connection of the OpenAI, Duo, GenAI, Anthropic, and all of this one in here, and all of the model that support can use bring your own key. So I hope that answer your question. Thanks a lot. Bye.